Hi KS Besties, it's Chris. Today we are going to be going over fundamentals of e-filing. I will be going over a few bits as well as grits and some tips and tricks on different types of filing. I hope these tips will help you in your nail journey, so let's get started. Okay, so to start with our fundamentals of e-filing, I'm going to show you guys how to file on a natural nail. Usually when you're using an e-file on a natural nail, it's to prep the nail for enhancements like acrylic or gel or dip powder. So the bit you're going to want to use with your e-file looks like this. And when you're shopping for sanding bands, you're going to notice that there are different textures. There are different grits of sanding bands. This one is a coarse sanding band, and this one is a medium to fine sanding band. This is the one that we're going to use on our natural nail. You don't want to use this one because it's going to create grooves and it's going to cut into the natural nail, and we don't want that. So you're going to take your sanding band and you're going to apply it on to your bit. So then we're going to insert our sanding bit into our e-file, and I'm going to lock it closed. So when filing on a natural nail plate, you don't want to angle your Dremel at all. You want to keep it completely flat and parallel. You're going to file from sidewall to sidewall very lightly, barely kissing the natural nail plate. You don't want to dig into the nail. All you're doing is removing the shine. So I have my file on one of the lowest settings, and I'm going to lightly kiss the top of my nail. When you use your e-file on a natural nail plate, you want to make sure that you have it turned to one of the lowest settings. You don't want the sanding band to be on a high setting because it will create heat and it will burn your client's nail. So this is another bit that you might have seen. It's spherical in shape. This bit is able to be used on cuticle as well as the natural nail plate to prep it. I use this bit whenever I have somebody that has dry skin around the cuticle area or little hangnails. You lightly file in a circular motion and it will get rid of any unwanted dry skin. So now I'm going to apply an acrylic extension to this nail so I can show you guys how I file my acrylics. Okay, so for this nail, I'm going to be using a form to sculpt, and I'm going to be using White Night. It's a Mood Effect acrylic from Glam & Glitz. And the reason I'm choosing this color is so I can show you guys the filing from the e-file whenever I show you guys what bits I use and how I file. So for my bond, I like to use KiaraSky, and then I just use a generic primer. So when you have an extension on your nail, the first thing you want to do before e-filing is shape the sidewalls. Sometimes you get a little product right here, and if you go with your e-file straight in, you're not going to have a good clean line around the cuticle and sidewall area, and it's going to cause lifting. So I'm going to go in with my hand file, and I'm going to file up the sidewalls and shape the free edge. This is the bit that I like to use when I file my acrylics to shape them. It's a medium grit, and I like to use it because it has a domed edge at the top, and this prevents cutting. So whenever they jerk their hand or they reach for their phone without notifying me first, this isn't going to cut them. So I'm going to go ahead and place that into my drill. So the first thing I'm going to do is drill around my cuticle area. I like to thin out the acrylic towards that area just so it's nice and flush, and that also helps prevent lifting. So after I'm done filing around my cuticle area, the next thing I like to do is use the belly of my drill bit and lightly shape the top of my nail just so I can get it very smooth and symmetrical. Now when filing my acrylic, I like to use medium speed. I don't ever use high speed. I just find it's not necessary, and I don't want to burn my clients, so I always try to keep it as low as I can get it. So here you can notice that there is a color differentiation. The parts that are turning lighter are the parts that my e-file hit on the acrylic. Because of the heat that the sanding band, it's causing it to turn a lighter color. But in showing you this, I can show you that these parts were higher than the darker parts, and by filing across, it smoothed everything down to one height. Okay, so now you can see that once I'm done filing with my e-file, everything is nice and smooth. You can also look down the top of the nail, and if you see any high points, you take the middle of your barrel and you file from cuticle to free edge very lightly just to take down the bulk. So now we are done with our e-filing. You can go on to buff this nail. You can add art, you can cover it with a gel color or polish, and conclude with your top coat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys learned a couple new things. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!